Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Judicial Service. In this video, we are discussing here another new video related to the previous year solved paper, and now we are discussing here MP Civil Judge solved paper 2019 set second. In previous video, we discussed part first. Now we are discussing here part second, and those who are not watched the previous video, all the link of previous videos are available in our description box, and especially part first of this video series. Now before starting this video, I request you please like and share our videos and subscribe our channel. So without wasting our time, now come to the point. Question number 61. In previous video we discussed till question number 60. Now we are going to discuss in question number 61. So question number 61. Indian Evidence Act, a fact which thou not in issue are so connected with the fact in issue as to form a part of same transaction. This is very important word here, same transaction, whether they occurred at the same time and place or at a different time or place. So option A here are really irrelevant, option B here are relevant, option C here partly relevant, and option D here none of them. So clearly this question related to section 6 doctrine of res geste and are relevant. So answer here option B. Now question number 62. Indian Evidence Act FIR is not a substantive evidence. It can be used during trial. So option A here corroborate the information, option B to contradict the information, option C to corroborate and contradict the information both, and option D here neither to corroborate nor to contradict the information. So FIR not a substantive piece of evidence, but it is used during a trial to corroborate and contradict the information. So answer is here option C. Now question number 63. Indian Evidence Act, the opinion of expert may be obtained under section 45 of the Evidence Act in relation to. So option A here science, art, law, fingerprint, and so it is law, so wrong. Option B science, art, law, again law, so it is also wrong. Option C science including medical matters, arts, law, so this is not there. Now last one, science, art, foreign law, finger impression and handwriting signature. So answer is here option D. Now question number 64. When the language used in a document is on its face ambiguous or defective, dash of fact would show its meaning or supply its defect. Option A evidence may be given, option B oral evidence may be given, option C the documentary evidence may be given, and last one the evidence may not be given. So clearly answer here evidence may not be given. Now question number 65. Exception to the hearsay rule are provided in the Indian Evidence Act under section, so under section 32 and 33. So answer here option B, and mostly section 32 is very important here. It contains the evidence of Dine declaration also. Now question number 66. Which section of Indian Evidence Act provide that evidence shall be await not counted? So which section? So section 134, and provided that evidence shall be weighted not counted. So answer here option B. Now question number 67. By which section of Indian Evidence Act 1872 a judge is empowered in order to discover, this is very important, discover or to obtain proper proof of relevant fact, ask any question, this is very important, in any form, at any time, of any witness or of the parties about any fact relevant or irrelevant. So this thing is provided in which section? Sections 166, 167, 164 and section 165. So clearly answer is here option D, section 165. In that time this section empowered the court to ask any question anytime to any witness. So answer option D. Question number 68. Indian Evidence Act, the question is whether a committed a crime at Mumbai on a certain day. The fact on that day A was at Chennai is relevant under which provision of Indian Evidence Act? In this question, the accused taking the defense of doctrine of plea of alibi, and it is provided in section 11 of Indian Evidence Act. So answer is here option C. Now question number 69. In which of the following case did the Supreme Court hold that the compelling a person to give his specimen writing will not amount to testimonial compulsion for the purpose of Article 20 Clause 3 of the Constitution of India? So this statement Supreme Court given by in case of State of Bombay versus Kathi Kalu. So answer is here option A. Now question number 70. Indian Evidence Act, a non-confessional statement recorded under section 164 of CRPC. So non-confessional statement recorded under section 164 of CRPC is not a substantive evidence. So answer is here option B, and in first option there is substantive and may not, that's why answer clearly here option B, not a substantive evidence, non-confessional statement, and this statement under section 164 before the magistrate. Now question number 71. Under which of the following section of the Indian Evidence Act a witness under examination get the right to refresh his memory? So under section 159 the witness get the right to refresh his memory. So answer is here 159. Answer here option B. Now question number 72. Indian Evidence Act, the principle of res judicata is provided in which of the following section of Indian Evidence Act? So this is very important word here, principle of res judicata, and so this principle is provided in section 40 of Indian Evidence Act. So answer is option B. Now question number 73. A prosecute B for stealing a cow from him and B is convicted. A afterwards sue C for the cow and which B had sold to him before his conviction. What will be the importance of judgment of B's conviction between a suit of A and C? Option A relevant, option B irrelevant, option C here conclusive proof, and option D none of the above. So such judgment is irrelevant. So answer here option B. Now question number 74. Indian Evidence Act, the statement of relevant fact by one person who is dead and cannot be found is relevant. So it is relevant under section 32. So civil proceeding only, criminal proceeding only, neither in civil, so it is completely wrong. Both civil as well as criminal proceeding. So answer here option D. Now question number 75. Which of the following could be proved as dying declaration after the death of the person? Option A, FIR logged by the person deceased. Option B, the statement of person deceased recorded under section 161 of CRPC, and option C, the statement of a person deceased recorded by executive magistrate, and option D, all of these. So clearly answer is here option D, all of these. Now question number 76. These questions are related to Indian Penal Code 1860. So first question, A kill C thinking C as B. This is very important. C as B. A is guilty of offence punishable under section. So under section 301. So answer here option A. Now question number 77. A police officer detain a person in a lockup despite a production of bail order from the court. The police officer is guilty of. So police officer is guilty of wrongful confinement. Answer here option B. Now question number 78. Indian Penal Code. Z is carried off by a tiger. A fire. So here Z is carried off by a tiger. A fire at a tiger knowing it to be likely that the shoot may kill Z, but not intending to kill Z, and in good faith, this is very important here, good faith intending Z's benefit, A's bullet gives Z a mortal wound. So option A here, A has committed the offense, so it is clearly wrong here. Option B here, A has attempt to murder Z, so it is absolutely wrong here because the A working for the benefit of Z. Now option C, A has committed no offense, and option D, none of the above. So clearly answer here option C. Now question number 79. Under Indian Penal Code, the fabricating false evidence has been defined in. So fabricating false evidence has been defined in case section 192. So answer is here option B. Now question number 80. Indian Penal Code. Which of the following is not if offense? So option A, suicide, murder, preparation to डकैती, attempt to murder. So clearly the offense suicide is not offense. So suicide is not an offense. Attempt to suicide is a offense under section 309. So clearly answer here option A. Now question number 81. Indian Penal Code. A instigate B to burn Z's house. This is very important here. A instigate B to burn Z's house. B set fire of the home and the same time commit theft of the property there. A is guilty of, so clearly A is guilty of abetting burning of Z's house only. So answer here option A. Now question number 82. Which offense does not require of minimum number of 5 persons? So clearly FRA does not require the minimum number of 5. There is need only 2 persons. So answer option B. Now question number 83. Which one of these is not a mode of abatement under the Indian Penal Code? Option A, attempt. Option B, aiding. Option C, instigation. Option D, conspiracy. So clearly answer is here option A, attempt is not a mode of abatement. Now question number 84. The voyeurism is punishable under section of, so voyeurism is punishable under section 354C of Indian Penal Code. So answer is here option C. Question number 85. Indian Penal Code. A send a mobile phone to his friend through his servant B. The servant took the phone at his house and used it over a period of time. B is guilty of the offense of, so B is guilty of offense of criminal breach of trust under section 405. So answer is here option C. Now question number 86. Indian Penal Code. The Z, the doorkeeper of Y, is standing Y's doorway. A commits a house trespass by entering the house, having deterred Z from opposing him by threatening to beat him. A has committed, option A here, house trespass. Option B here, criminal trespass. Option C here, lurking house trespass. And option D here, house breaking. So clearly answer here option D, house breaking. Now question number 87. Which section will be attract if a public servant commit rape on a woman in his custody? So which section attract? Section 376 subsection 2 clause A, section 376 subsection 2 clause D. Option C here, section 376 subsection 2 clause G, and option D here, section 376 subsection 2 clause B. So answer is here option D, 376 subsection 2 clause B, related to the a public servant commit rape on a woman in his custody. Now question number 88. Can a person commit a breach of trust of his own property? Yes, a person can commit a breach of trust for his own property. So answer here option A. Now question number 89. Indian Penal Code. In which case Honorable Supreme Court has direct to pay minimum compensation? This is very important. Minimum compensation of rupees 3 lakh per acid attack victim. So in case of Supreme Court, in which case? Lakshmi versus Union of India 2014 Supreme Court held that to pay a direction of minimum compensation 3 lakh rupees to acid attack victim. So answer here option A. Now question number 90. The offense of section 361 is basically against. So section 361 is related to the kidnapping from the lawful guardianship. So answer here option D, a lawful guardian. Now question number 91. These questions are related to the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. The court, after the commencement of prosecution evidence, allow the assistant public prosecutor, this is very important, to withdraw the prosecution. The accused shall be. In this question, the court, after commencement of prosecution evidence, so there is a charge framed here. So in that time, the assistant public prosecutor withdraw the prosecution. The accused shall be. So accused shall be in that time acquitted. So answer is here option C. And if there is a no charge framing in that time, the public prosecutor withdraw the prosecution, that time the accused will be discharged. But in this case, it is acquitted. So answer here option C. Now question number 91. A Criminal Procedure Code, there shall be no appeal by convicted in following. Option A here, where a magistrate of first class passes only a sentence of fine not exceeding 100 rupees. So in that time there is no provision of appeal. Under which section? This is very important. Under section 376. So this statement is absolutely correct here. Now second one, where a court of session pass only a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 months. Yes, this statement is also correct here. There is no provision of appeal in that circumstance, because the session court pass only a sentence 3 month imprisonment. So this is also correct. Now last one, where high court passes only a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 6 months. Yes, this statement is also correct. All three statements are correct. So in that time where the High Court passes the sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 6 months oblique 1000 rupees fine. In the case of Session Court, the fine amount is only 200. So in that time the convicted person cannot having a right to appeal. So all these statements are correct. Under section is very important, 376. So answer is there option D. Question number 93. If a person who is competent to compound offense is dead, the compounding, option A, cannot be done. Option B, can be done. Legal representative, yes, it may be correct. Of deceased without permission. So this is very important. So it is wrong here. Without permission of the court. Option C here, can be done by legal representative of deceased only with the permission of court. And last one, none of the above. So clearly answer is here option C, can be done by legal representative of the deceased person. Now question number 94. A Criminal Procedure Code, if after the evidence in the opinion of magistrate accused is guilty, in which he does not have right to punish the accused with the maximum punishment prescribed for offense, then under what section with the written opinion he can submit his proceeding and forward the accused to, this is very important, forward the accused to Chief Judicial Magistrate. So answer clearly here section 325 of CRPC, option D. Now question number 95. Under Criminal Procedure Code, in which section the provision of security for good behavior from habitual, this is very important word here, habitual, so habitual housebreaker offender, so he is a habitual offender, is made, so is made under section 110. So answer here option D. Now question number 96. The statement recorded during investigation under section 161 CRPC by police cannot be used for any purpose during, so it is wrong here, it can be used can only use for corroborating the witness. Option C here, can only be used for contradicting. This is very important. A witness. And option D, none of this. So clearly section 161, the statement given by the person before a police officer can be used for contradicting that person, means a witness here. So answer option C. Now question number 97, the pardon may be tendered to an accomplice under section 306. This is very important here. When he is not in position to stand trial due to infirm health. Option B, he is declared insane. Option C, he undertakes to make full, this is very important, full and true disclosure of the fact relating to the offense. So answer option D here, all of this. Clearly answer here option C. Now question number 98, which of the section of CRPC 1973 the provide that a person accused of an offense shall be a competent defense witness. So accused is a competent witness under section 315. So answer here option D. Now question number 99, criminal procedure code, if the succeeding, this is very important, succeeding judicial magistrate is of opinion that further examination of any of the witnesses and whose evidence has already been recorded is necessary in the interest of justice, he may re-summon any such witness, and after such further examination, cross-examination and re-examination, if any, as he may permit, the witness shall be discharged. This provision is mentioned under section 326 of Criminal Procedure Code. Answer is here option C, 326. Question number 100, what is minimum period of imprisonment for releasing on bail under section 436A of Criminal Procedure Code is? So is 1 second, means half of maximum period of imprisonment. So answer here option B. Now question number 101, Criminal Procedure Code, if it appear to the magistrate that the offence complained of is triable exclusively by the Court of Session under section 202, the CRPC postponing the issue of process against accused. So against accused, so in that time shall call upon the complainant to produce all his witnesses and examine them on oath. So and this provision, this question is related to the section 202 proviso second. So proviso second related to this question. So answer is here option C. Now question number 102, Criminal Procedure Code, a plea bargaining is applicable to offences other than offence for which the punishment of death or imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term not exceeding 7 years. So answer is here option A. Question number 103, under section 313 of CRPC, the statement of the accused, so statement of accused under section 313 will be recorded without oath. So answer here option B. Now question number 104, a Criminal Procedure Code, who can issue a search warrant in respect of, this is very important, postal or telegraph authority. So in that time the magistrate, district magistrate or chief judicial magistrate issues search warrant. So answer here option A. And remaining civil court, so it is not competent, and revenue court, it is also not competent. High court is competent, but this, the word used only, that's why this is wrong here. So answer option A. Now question number 105, in the Indian Constitution the Criminal Procedure Code is included in the, so Criminal Procedure Code means CRPC including in concurrent list. So answer here option B. These questions are related to the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Question number 106. So maximum amount which may be awarded as interim compensation under section, so interim compensation provided in section 143A of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 is, so 1881 is 20% of amount of check. So answer here option B. Now question number 107, under section 97 of Negotiable Instrument Act, the party to whom notice is dishonored, notice of dishonored is dispatched is dead, but a party dispatching the notice is ignorant of his death, then the notice is sufficient. So answer is here option B. And this question is related to section 97. Now question number 108. According to section 13 of Negotiable Instrument Act, which is not negotiable instrument? So the instrument of debit is not negotiable instrument. Section 13 provided at which things are negotiable instruments. So promissory note, bill of exchange and checks are negotiable instrument, but instrument of debt is not negotiable instrument. Answer here option A. Now question number 109. Which of the following presumption is prescribed under section 118 Negotiable Instrument Act? Option A here of consideration, option B here as to date, option C here as to time of acceptance, option D here all of the above. So answer here option D, all of the above. Now question number 110. In which section of Negotiable Instrument Act the holder in due course, so holder in due course provided in section 9 of Negotiable Instrument Act? So answer here option C. So these questions are related to the general knowledge. Now question number 111. Who was the first Gupta ruler? So Sri Gupta was the first ruler. Answer here option A. Question number 112. Which country is leading producer of coconut? So Indonesia is leading producer of coconut. So answer here option B. Now next question. Parkinson disease related to, so Parkinson disease related to nervous system. So answer here option A. Now next question. Jamshed-e-Nawroz, this is very important here. Jamshed-e-Nawroz festival is celebrated by, so festival is celebrated by the Parsi community. Answer here option D. Now next question. Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of, so Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of journalism. Answer here option C. Now question number 116. Blood corpuscles are formed in, so blood corpuscle formed in bone marrow. Answer here option D. Now 117. Which of the following is known as the morning star? So Venus is a morning star. Option B. Now 118. As per the newspaper report, the government of India has finally agreed to purchase about MRMRs for its naval force. So what are these MRMRs? So MRMRs is aircraft. Answer here option A. Question number 119. Iodine test is used to detect, so iodine test is used to detect carbohydrate. Answer option D. Question number 120. Who is the recipient of 2018 Nobel Prize for Literature? So this question is not relevant for our further examination. That's why we are discussing here the recipient of 2020 of Nobel Prize for Literature. So 2020 Nobel Prize for Literature is given to the Louis, L-O-U-I-S-E. Please remember this name, Louis Gluck, G-L-U-C-K. So 2020 Nobel Prize for Literature given to Louis Gluck. So answer is here this one. Now question number 121. Raja Bhoj is related with the dynasty of, so Raja Bhoj is related to the dynasty of Parmar. Answer is here option A. Now question number 122. Who is the recipient of National Kalidas Samman in the year of 2018? So now this is not very relevant for our further examination. That's why we are going to discussing here National Kalidas Samman in the 2020. In 2020, the National Kalidas Samman given to the two person. First for year of 2017 and second for year of 2018. So 2017's National Kalidas Award given to Jatin. This is very important word here. Please remember this. Jatin Goswami. And second one word is the Guru Uma Sarma. So important word is Uma Sarma. So these are the dancer here, and they getting the National Kalidas Samman. So this award is very important because it is given by the MP government, so MP state government. That's why it is important for the MP civil judge exam. So answer of this question is these two. So next question 123. The word Satyamev Jayate inscribed in Devanagari script below the state emblem of India are taken from option A Rigved, Yajurved, option B Rigved, option C Samved, option D none of these. So clearly answer here option none of these. Satyamev Jayate were taken from the Mundukop Upanishad. So clearly none of these answer here. Now question number 124. Indian origin Harjeet Sajjan has been sworn in as defense minister of which country? So this is very important word here. Harjeet Sajjan has been sworn as a defense minister of Canada. So answer here option C. Now question number 125. Under whose chairmanship the 15th Finance Commission, this is very important here, 15th Finance Commission has been constituted by the Union government. So the 15th Finance Commission chairman is here N.K. Singh. Answer here option D. Now question number 126. The DNA fingerprinting was developed by, so DNA fingerprinting was developed by the Dr. Alec Jeffrey. So answer here option A. Now question number 127. The date on which full constitution of India, so this is very important, full constitution of India come into force. So clearly 26 November, so it is wrong. Option B 15th August, it is also wrong. It is the Independence Day, and in that day the partial provision of the constitution is come into the force. And 8 August, it is not correct here. So clearly 26th January 1950. So answer is here none of these. So answer here option D. Now question number 128. Ban Sagar project, this is very important question, many times asked in judicial examination of MP. It's situated on which river? So is Ban Sagar project situated on Son river? Answer here option B. A. Now question number 129. Who was the youngest revolutionary to be awarded death sentence? So Khudiram Bose, youngest revolutionary to awarded death sentence. Option A. Now question number 130. Which lie on either side of McMahon line? So McMahon line between the India China. So answer is here option D. Now question number 131. These questions are related to computer knowledge. What type of device is a computer printer? So computer printer is a output device. So answer is here option B. Question number 132. When you save to dash, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. So clearly it is ROM. So option A RAM, option B motherboard, option C secondary storage device, option D primary storage device. So clearly answer here option C secondary storage device, because primary storage device is RAM and secondary storage device is ROM. Option C. Now question number 133. AI, this is very important word and it is very famous in present time. AI in computer field means, so AI means artificial intelligence. Answer option C. Now question number 134. You can use dash to copy, select, so copy we select, use Control plus C, and dash to paste. So and at the time where we are pasting any substance, anything, any matter, so we use Control plus V. So paste in a document, so clearly Control plus C for copy and Control plus V for paste. So answer here option A. Now question number 135. Which command is used to add a new slide in the current presentation in PowerPoint? So new slide in the current presentation, which command is used here? So command is used here Control plus M. So Control plus M for new slide. Answer here in PowerPoint. So answer is here option B. Now question number 136. The computer language Java, this is very important here, Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. So answer option D. Now 137. A person uses his or her expertise to gain access to another person's, this is very important, another person's computer to get information illegally or to do damage is a hacker. Answer here option B. Question 138. Which of the following comprise the input device? Option A Keyboard, yes, it is input device. Mouse, it is also input device. Both keyboard and mouse. So answer is here option C. 139. Which of the following lie within the CPU? So CPU, option A primary memory, option B secondary memory, option C mouse, option D keyboards. So the lie within the CPU is primary memory. Answer is here option A. Now question number 140. In computing, one nibble, this is very important here, one nibble is equal to, so one nibble is equal to 4 bit. So answer is here 4 bit, option A. Question number 141, English knowledge. So these questions are related to English knowledge. Question number 141, one who walk in sleep. So one who walk in sleep known as here somnambulist. So answer is here option C. Now question number 142, identify the sentence which is not written in passive voice. So option A here, utmost care has to be taken. Option B here, being a student you must work hard. Yes, this sentence not written in passive form. So answer is here option D. Now question number 143, one who looks on without participating means, so one who looks on without participating means, so it is onlooker. Answer is here option D. Now question number 144, the synonyms of lethal, this is very famous word lethal. So synonyms of lethal is deadly. Answer here option B. Question number 145, choose the correctly spelled word. So correctly spelled word is here corrigendum. So answer is here corrigendum, option A, corrigendum. Question number 146, choose the alternative which the best expresses the meaning of idiom phrase spick and span. So spick and span is here neat and clean. So answer is here option C. Question number 147, give the synonyms of word abstruse. So synonym of word abstruse is hidden. So answer is option B. Now 148, the reckless is to rest. What is anomalous is to, so anomalous is to deviant. So answer here option B. Now question number 149, the jury was able to see through the, so through the specious argument of the defense lawyer. So answer is here option C. Now question number 150, the term used for killing one's brother is, so term used for killing one's brother is fratricide. So answer here option D. Now we are going to finish this video, and if you like this video please click on like button and please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching Indian Judicial Service.